Here we got a 73 Volkswagen. We used to call them Volkswagens, Waffles back then. You got your fuel filler up here. This thing's way over the top. I thought it was at first I thought it was an earlier year, and it was so like prettied up that it looked newer. But 73, not a super bug. It's a regular. It's a true bug. It's got the VW.
No, they're not Volkswagen. That's all VW. They got a Camaro and 41 Willys.
Well, there you go.
Look at the seats in this thing, man. A lot better than the seats that came in before. It's got a 1776 motor from the 1600 and lightened up flywheels and push rod and stuff like that. It's different jugs. Probably got you get a good look at the motor. Yeah, look at that. Look at that sucker, man. That thing's clean as a whistle. Look at it, got the degree wheel on the timing mark thing there too, man. Yeah.
Not a lot of room. A friend of mine had one. We used to drive it back and forth to school.
It's a nice color too.
Yeah. That was a little smaller.
I thought it was an earlier year because he's got the the 73 had the bigger tail lights, but he's got these on there. So this thing's sweet, man. Very sweet, very sweet. And
a lot of leg room.
yeah, I was looking at that. I says, man, I guess you'd have to get your. I wonder why he made it like that. Yeah. And you look at your instrumentation. It's got all like aftermarket gauges, RPM, all LED.
It's a great looking car.
Thank you.
Oil,
Appreciate the comments.
oil PSI, oil temperature,
What year is it?
fuel and volts.
I had one that had the half stop.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And your wheels.
Put it off the battery.
It's bitching, man.
I got a 2014. Do you now?